living in group homes, foster care, always feeling alone. Each month from a new town, another face, another bed. But deep inside his soul, a fire burned, a dream he never shed. Through the tears and the pain, he never lost sight. Kept on moving forward, chasing the light. On the open road, where the big rigs roam, he found his calling, a truck driver's home. Carrying the weight through the day and night. With every mile, he found his might. Another highway stretching far and wide. He remembered his dad's words, the strength he felt inside. Times were tough, but he never gave up, his spirit strong. With every turn of the wheel, he knew he always belonged. He was just a young boy, never knew a place to call his own. Living in group homes, foster care, always feeling alone. Each month brought a new town, another face, another bed. But deep inside his soul, a fire burned, a dream he never shed. Through the tears and the pain, he never lost sight. Kept on moving forward, chasing the light. On the open road, where the big rigs roam, he found his calling, a truck driver's home. Carrying the weight through the day and night. With every mile, he found his might. Another sunrise, another highway stretching far and wide. He remembered his dad's words, the strength he felt inside.